Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Let's start with our next quadriquatis. In previous video we already done this thing. Let's begin with quadriquatis. This is a belongs with Pisces, and Pisces belongs with that fishes, those animals who carry jaws. We already done this thing. Now let's study what quadriquatis. What is the meaning of quadri? Guys, their skeleton, their skeleton made up with what? Cartilage. Yes, their skeleton is does not made with bones. Their skeleton is made up with cartilage. This is the special feature of cartilaginous species. So fishes those fishes who carry cartilaginous skeleton, they take in this group. Okay, they are marine, yes or not? They are marine animals, streamlined body, so they can easily swim in, look at here, this streamed body, so easily they can swim. Guys, they are cartilaginous endoskeleton. Okay, I previously explained this thing. Mouth is located ventrally here. This surface is dorsal surface, this surface is ventral surface, this surface is anterior surface, and this is the posterior surface. Same here, anterior, posterior, this is their dorsal and their ventral. So they want to say that their mouth is located ventral side. Look at here, their mouth. Let me zoom. Wait, I'll show you. Let me zoom. Look at here. Can you visualize this thing? Can you visualize? Yes, this is the mouth part. Now clear? Clear or not? Okay, let's move further. Notochord is present throughout the life. They maintain their notochord throughout the life from born to death. Gill slits are separated and without operculum, means they does not have gills covering. Okay? Now guys, their skin is tough. Why? Because of these scales. Everyone carries scales, guys. They are protecting. They make a rigid skeleton. Okay? They are hunters, guys. They are hunter. They are predator. Hunter. Deadly hunter. Deadly hunter. They have powerful jaws. Okay, due to absence of air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid shrinking. Guys, first of all, they does not have air bladder. Next is their gills not cover, so they constantly swim and swim. They can't stay. They can't literally float to the water. Heart is two chamber. Now their heart is two chamber. One is atrium and one is ventricle. Okay, some of them electric organs. This is important for exam point of view. Which kind of fish who contain electric organ? Torpedo. And which kind of fish who have power of electricity belong with which class? Okay, they can ask. Okay, they can modify. Some are poisonous sting. They have poison sting. This is toxic. And this poison sting, if they attack on their prey, they can paralyze that time. Example is tiger. These are also important. Now guys, they are cold blooded. They lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Guys, we are warm blooded. We can maintain our temperature because our inside temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and we maintain this thing. But they can't maintain. At a winter time, they can hide themselves. At a warm time, they also hide themselves according to their condition, according to their nature. Sexes are separate. Of course, sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bear clasper. Guys, this is also helpful in swimming. Guys, something is pectoral, pectoral, and pelvic. Guys, this is the pectoral, and these are the what pelvic, and here clasper is present. Very helpful for their male activity. They have internal fertilization. They carry their egg. Many of them are viviparous. Guys, viviparous means they carry child. Look at here. There is some examples of what? There is some example of what? Cartilaginous fish. Scolidion, dogfish, prestige, sawfish. Look at here, guys. Sawfish. Look at here. Their arrangement is saw like. We cut na any kind of wood part, any kind of thing with the help of this part. Saw. With the help of saw, we can break everything. We can break everything. Even we can break a tree, guys. Now let's move towards osteichthyes, guys. Another then best example is what? Bony fishes, hippocampus and katla. They present in our Indian oceans. Guys, osteochothes, what is the special feature of osteochothes? Guys, their skeleton made up with bony part. They are marine water as well as fresh water, or their inner skeleton is made up with bones. Mouth is mostly on terminal side. Look at here, terminal side. In this quadricotheges, they contain their mouth part ventral side. They contain their mouth ventral side, and they contain their mouth side most of the terminal. They have 4 pair of gills. They also have gills, but their gills covered with operculum. But here they does not carry operculum. Now air bladder is present, so they can regulate buoyancy. They can float easily. They can flow in marine and aquatic medium. Heart is also two chambered, one auricle. Okay, guys, we can say atrium and we can also say it as an auricle, one ventricle. They are cold blooded animals, guys. They don't regulate, they can't regulate their temperature. Okay, they change their habitat according to the temperature. Sexes are separated, of course, they are little bit advanced now. Fertilization is external. They are mostly oviparous. This is the statement, guys. They are mostly oviparous, and development is direct. Guys, they does not have any kind of larva stage. Look at here, there are most important examples. Exocetus flying fish, this is danger, guys. Hippocampus, seahorse, freshwater. Okay, this is the marine. Let me raise, wait. These are the example of what? Marine fish. What? Exocetus, and second is hippocampus. Look at here, this is a hippocampus. Now next is what? There is some example of freshwater. Labio, Katla, Calaris, Aquarii, and there is Pterophyllum. Guys, something different in hippocampus. They carry what? Brood pouch. I am writing here, the male carry what? Yes, guys, something different. Brood pouch. In this brood pouch, I am drawing here. Okay, this is the seahorse. They carry eggs. Till when? Then baby is not coming out. Another hippocampus is not generated here. After they grow properly, this hippocampus release seahorse in. They release their baby in where? Marine. Guys, this is the also case of parental care. They contain many eggs, but they still do what? Parental care. Guys, if this is the male parent and this is the female parent, if they have fourth child, okay, so they can carry their child, they can show their parental care. But if they have lack in number child, how can they show their parental care? Because they can't show parental care. Listen, candidates, now listen to me. If in your written exam they ask that explain chondrichthyes and osteochondrichthyes, how you explain this thing? Make a heading of chondrichthyes, make a heading osteochondrichthyes, make a 10 to 15 points, make a 10 to 15 points, one by one, plus diagram, and don't forget to mention examples. Don't forget. And guys, one more thing, if something is different now, like placoid scales, then you highlight these things. They does not have operculum, so this word you can highlight, underline these type of words. If you write they have placoid scales, then you have to underline this highlight word. You have to underline they does not have operculum, so you have to underline this word. You can highlight. I know you made 10 to 15 points, but these 10 to 15 points, naga, you have to highlight. You have to highlight special words, special keywords. If some word wants to explanation like poikilotherms, then you have to know this thing. What is poikilotherms? Guys, they are cold-blooded. What you understand by poikilotherms, guys, they can't regulate their temperature. You have to write down this definition. Same with osteochondritis. Guys, this is the full out of full marks if you write down in this manner. In all, as well as this part, all classes, this rule for all classes. Yeah, you have to make this diagram. I don't know why, but you have to practice now 4 to 5 times, so you can easily draw, easily. If you practice now, if you practice, you can fight everything. If you practice, you revise. Okay guys, now in our next video we will discuss about amphibians and further classes. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching me. Keep smiling and revise and revise, because your exam is near. Revise, quickly revise. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.